Hello guys, good morning. Today we are going to create application with React application with Next.js. So before creating Next.js application, we need to install Node.js and VS Code. Download Node.js and VS Code on your system. So we simply type like download Node.js, then click on this link and simply install window installer. Otherwise, you have another operating system, you can download Mac. Then we can download VS Code. Then simply click on Windows, download Windows. I have already downloaded. So we are creating React application. So I have created one folder, React June. So then click on this button, directly type like cmd, enter. So first we need to check our node and npm have installed. So for checking Node.js, we type like node -v. Yes, we have downloaded. Then npm -v. Yeah, both are downloaded in your system. Then we are creating React application with Next.js. So before I have already downloaded. If you want to create React Next application globally, so first we need to install npm i -g create next app. And simply click enter. But I have already downloaded, so we can so now I'm creating directly like npx create next app. After that project name, so we are using like my first app. And we simply click on enter. After that it will ask some questions. Would you like to use TypeScript? No. Enter. Then yes, no, source direct yes. Yeah, it is creating a React application with Next.js. Yeah, Next.js installing this dependency like React DOM next, slist, ESLint, config next. It is taking time.